Okay, snake knot tutorial with the shirt pod. Alright. So, loop the right side over itself so that it's on top. Pinch the top strand. Take the left side, stick it from the bottom through the hole, and then you put it around the back of the whole thing. So you grab it from back here, pulling it through, and so after you've looped it back around, you send it back through the same hole. And you slowly tighten that down, and there you go, snake knot. So again, make a loop so that it's crossing and the end is coming out to the right, sitting on top, pinch there, feed the left side underneath and through, pull it through, drape it over the back top right and pull that back around, and then feed it back through the original hole. Slowly get the slack out and tighten up against the previous knot. You can pull on each strand to tighten it. You can pull on both. The first one is a little loose, so that's why it looks like that. Loop, cross, through from underneath, go around back, and back through the same way. And massage the slack, and then boom. There you go. Focus, focus. I know it's hard to see on tiny cord.